So now I'm back to talk about the role that culture plays in this interaction that happens in the virtual communities, but specifically in the international context. Right? So Chen thinks that culture is very relevant both to the process and the outcomes of this interaction. In other words, it refers to the potential that culture has to sort of dictate the ways in which we use media, right? How and why we use media. And he talks about three cultural factors that directly affect people's behavior in electronic media. Being the first of them, thinking patterns, but also expression styles and cultural context. In this whole discussion about the relationship between culture and new media, Chen points out that there are two models that are most used in the studies that analyze this interaction. Being one of them, the model proposed by Edward Hall that talks about high context cultures and low context cultures, but also Hofstede's cultural dimensions, specifically the individualistic and collectivistic dimensions. And as an illustration of these models being used, he talks about a study that demonstrates that college students in high context, collectivistic societies like, for example, Korea, they use new media with the intention of attaining support from already existing social relationships. While in low context individualistic societies like the US, for example, college students, they are more focused on seeking entertainment rather than relationships.